Best wrapping paper cutter review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular wrapper cutters in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this paper roll cutter so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the DIY Crew paper roll cutter. This paper roll is really sturdy with a solid steel base. It takes just 3 simple steps to assemble this paper holder. It has a specially designed serrated edge so that it gives you a clean cut every time. The bottom of the base has a rubber padding so that it stays firmly in place and doesn't slip when you're using it. You can choose to mount it on a wall or even under a cabinet. To check out the full specs of the DIY Crew paper roll cutter and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/paper-roll-cutter. Here's a quick video of this paper cutter. So there you have it, the DIY Crew paper roll cutter. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the cutter, and its overall functionality, we feel that this wrapping paper cutter is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the DIY Crew paper roll cutter and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/paper-roll-cutter. Alright, thank you for watching.